Cost saving, yes. Flexibility, yes. You can easily start a business, close a business, yes. 24/7 available. Who's responsible for that? The cloud provider. In my case, it's Azure would be your provider, and Azure's responsibility or Microsoft responsibility is to make sure that your cloud or basically your environment is available, readily available. How is reliability really ensured? By using something called as SLA, service level agreement. As in, when you basically register with a cloud provider, the first thing that you sign is something called as a service level agreement. The cloud provider telling you that, hey, you know what, just in case if my services are down, I am responsible and not you, and I am responsible to get it back up again. So you do not have to take the worry about going ahead and doing all that maintenance. I'll take care of it. Secondly, automatic